are picking up, what the hell? I think somebody just took one of the trailers I was gonna take. Wait, what? I'm not paying attention that much? Somebody just took one of the trailers I was gonna take. If we can find them, where they took it to. They usually put them over here. Wait, am I tripping? All right, maybe I'm tripping. Maybe it wasn't 2 trailers right there, because that's insane. I could have swore that there were 2 trailers outside, and I was gonna grab one, and I was setting up the camera and stuff like that, and now it's just gone. That's crazy. All right, we can still go ahead and do what we need to do. All right, so we're gonna take that one right there and this one right here. Both of these trailers are empties, so we're just coming to the rail yard to pick up some empties. Let me make sure. So we can go ahead and set up our dolly on this one right here, then we'll be good. That is so weird. Maybe I'm tripping. I don't know. All right, so first thing we got to do is back up our dolly into this trailer straight, which everything was looking good for a second. All right, I don't like that, so we'll do it one more time. All right, there we go. Let's see, I like right where we're at. If I could just stay straight right here, I'll be happy. Well, this joint went straight back to where it was the first time. All right, I like where we're at. All right, now it's too far on that side now. Not having a good day. All right, let's try it again. There we go. Stay straight. Just stay straight. I like to have it where the opening is somewhere inside of the square. I don't know if I'm just not seeing it right from back here. But now I feel like I'm good, right? All right, we're good now. Oh, Jesus. All right, cool. I like exactly right where we're at. Right there. Finally. Jesus. All right. We got to unhook the dolly. Crisscross our chains, because when we set it up to the trailer, we crisscross them close to this trailer. Leave that right there like that. All right. We'll go grab the other trailer. We're going to back the other trailer in front of this dolly. All right. So now we got to grab this trailer. All right. So November 24th, so we're good. All right. Let's run a trip. Body looks good. We got lights. Got our paperwork. Make sure our jaws are locked. Yes. Body's fine. All right. Make sure it's empty if we can get into it. Yep. Good. License plate light. All right. Everything looks fine. All right. So we're good with this trailer. So now we're gonna back this trailer in front of the dolly that we set up. All right. All right. So now let's back this trailer up. All right. I like it. I like it. I like it. I think I need to come over to the left just a little bit more though. I'm gonna pull up now. Come over to the left a little bit more. All right. I like that better. All right. I'm gonna back up and I'm gonna just tap the dolly and then I'm gonna pull forward some more to create room. Plus I also have the dolly too far to the back, so I gotta make sure I pull forward to give enough room to pull the dolly out as well too. But I usually pull forward too much anyway. It should be good. Get a little straighter if I can. There we go. All right, so now we're gonna just tap the dolly. All right, we tapped it. Pull forward. I think that's enough. Maybe a little bit more. All right, that's enough. All right. Oh yeah, we got plenty of room. And the dolly's off a little bit, so this will be fun. All right. All right. All right. Oh, so it came from under there, so that's good. Pick it up. Oh, you gotta remember it's gonna be angled now towards the driver's side. We still should be okay. All right, so we got snubble, lights, air, and chains. That's why we crisscrossed them. It'll be easy. Easier, I should say. Snubble, lights, and chain. They're good. It's kind of loose. I don't know if I got any zip ties. All right, so that's good. Now we're gonna back all of this into that trailer to connect it. Back up, I'm gonna turn the wheel a little bit to the right because remember we're angled to the left already and I want to kind of straighten it out a little bit. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and back it up in there. I think that's too much. See how the dolly's going? See, it's going, no, see that's too much. I'm gonna pull forward a little bit. That dolly to straighten out just a little bit. So maybe that was a bad idea turning the wheel. All right, now we're gonna back up. Go forward. Good, I actually always wanted to learn how to do this. I see the older guys do it this way. This will be good practice. All right, as long as I keep it straight, we're good. Oh, it's turning now. Too much. All right, go back. See that dolly's coming out. All right, I like that, I like it, I like it, I like it. Just can't see the dolly on this side, but I like it. I like it, I like it. Oh shit, I'm under there already. Wait, but did it work though? For real? Worked. Kind of cowboyed it. All right, that was cool. That was dope. Cowboyed. Let's make sure everything is locked in. What I see a lot of old guys do, instead of putting the dolly in front of this one and then bringing this trailer over, they back this trailer into the dolly, then drive it over and then just back it up as one unit, which is kind of what I just had to do. Front is good. Yo, we locked in there. All right, that was dope. Wasn't as bad as I thought. You gotta just get used to pulling forward more. All right, snubble. Snubble's locked. Here, turn the air on so it can fill up while I'm back here. All right, cool. That's really cool. Oh, here's a zip tie. We'll zip tie that loose service airline. All right, so we got our trailer air on, but not our tractor air. That was dope. Really excited about doing that for the, what? The 10 feet I was able to do it? Crazy air leak somewhere. All right, just because this is really loose, zip tie it. All right, snubble, lights, air, and all right, there we go. On that. All right, so that's locked in. Once again, snubble, lights, air, and we got our chain. So we're good on that. We're good. Checked our dolly before we left. ID lights, we pre-tripped that one. Check the jaws one more time. Jaws are locked. Go ahead and put the legs up while we're on this side. I usually pre-trip starting on the other side when we're over here. So I'm like really excited about cowboy at like 10 feet. If it was that much, maybe it was 5 feet, I don't care. That was cool. There have been times where I've learned to pay attention to the dolly. I know this may sound crazy, but I learned to pay attention to the dolly. One time I completely missed and I had to pull it back out and then pull everything out, unhook the trailer, hook it back up to the dolly, get the dolly in the right spot, hook the trailer back. If you don't know how to do what I just did, the cowboy for that 5 feet, gotta start all over. And that sucks, especially when it's cold outside. It's good. License plate light. All of the lights work. Make sure you are empty. Yep. Tires are good. All right, we are good to go. So that was fun. That's how you put together a set of doubles. I'm hoping to make more videos about it going forward. So that won't be the only time we do it, but that was a fun one.